Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can create a Uber account. So first of all, head over to your Play Store and make sure that you have downloaded Uber application. Once done, you're going to have to launch that application. You will see an interface like this. Select continue. And likewise, you can either continue with your mobile number, email, or passkey. Now, if you would like to simply enter your phone number, select continue with mobile, or you can also go with Google account. Now at this section, make sure that you type in your name correctly and also your country code and your phone number. Once done, select next. Now at this section, select I agree, then select next again. And then after a couple seconds, you will see a page like this. If you would like to add some more information, you may also go ahead and select this account button. It will show you your account. Now to get started, you may go ahead and enter your pickup location. Just like so guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.